my name is Cédric. I am a professor of electrical engineering at the University of Côte d'Azur in Nice, France.
I am Geert Leus. I'm a professor at the Delft University of Technology at the Faculty of Electrical Engineering, Mathematics and Computer Science.
In fact, there are several reasons for this. I started my career first as a reviewer, then as an associate editor, and later as a senior area chair, and notably served as an associate editor for signal processing for more than 10 years. And with this extensive experience in different editorial roles, I was very curious to explore what happens at the highest levels of a journal. And I can now confirm that this is a very, very exciting experience to be an editor-in-chief of a big journal such as signal processing.
When I started, basically the journal was in a very good shape. It actually received a major boost before I joined Elsevier Signal Processing. And then my main task was to keep it at this high level. And I think we managed to do that. So the impact factor increased. We get very short transition times from, for instance, acceptance to publication, or from submission to first decision. So that really makes Elsevier Signal Processing a top journal in our field. So in terms of topics, there's of course an increased attention to machine learning and artificial intelligence. But also there, it's important that authors focus on theoretical advancements, so like new algorithms and also new theoretical analysis, because that is what we would like to see in Elsevier Signal Processing.
So my ambitions for the journal is to maintain the journal's reputation at the international top level and to continue publishing influential research works. I also want to continue exploring new hot topics without any dogma. My ambition is also to implement measures to promote transparency and reproducibility of the results. And finally, I also aim to promote diversity in academic publishing. And this will begin by seeking balance, both geographically and in terms of gender, in the composition of the editorial boards. So the main benefits or source of publishing in signal processing is that signal processing, among the last 40 years, solidified its reputation as a journal of reference. The records are excellent, and they have steadily improved since 2010. And if we consider, for instance, the last 3 years, more than 85% of the papers published by the journal have been cited.
It's easy to submit, yet the journal has a high ranking. Also, the transition times are very short, so going from submission to first decision and from acceptance, for instance, to publication, that goes fairly quickly. So I would like to encourage authors to consider Elsevier Signal Processing for their future publications. So the advice I would offer to authors for publishing in Elsevier Signal Processing is that they should focus really on a scientific innovation. So there should truly be a technological advancement in the paper.
I want the journal to remain at the forefront of innovation, which means that we need to explore emerging research areas and promoting interdisciplinary studies, and consequently we welcome all papers as long as they are innovative. However, when we accept all types of papers, whether theoretical or applied papers, it is imperative that they demonstrate some methodological novelty. Third advice is about the validation of the different techniques. This is a crucial step that can add substantial value to submitted papers, as well as the reproducibility of the results.